Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've seen this video, that means you are in business. Welcome to my channel. I'm the #1 YouTube plug for online jobs and anything related to making money online. Well, today I'm back again with yet another interesting video, and today I don't want to talk much about much introductions. I want to go straight to the point. Now, there is this website called OneForma. Most of you have been asking me to check, and indeed I've gone ahead to do the research. I've checked everything, and indeed let me share this content with you so that those who are interested or those who have the skills can go ahead and register. Now, OneForma is a platform which connects people, and they get to do jobs like annotator, tester, content creator. Also, you can become a labeler or a data creator. Okay, so currently they are hiring worldwide. That means you even don't need to have a proxy, and in case you need a proxy, of course you will have to purchase one. Of course, I've done so many videos about proxies and how to set up them. You can go check out Novada. You can check out all those platforms I've been talking about. Now, right now they are hiring something called UHRS, Microtasks. Yes, these are jobs that are very easy, including image labeling, etc. You can just go check them out. I've left the link in the description. One reason I like this platform is also because of their payment methods. Okay, and before we even go to all those things, I just want to show you some of their jobs that I saw on the platform. And funny enough, the jobs are so easy to do. Okay, so before we go to all these things of how the jobs work, it's important. Let us just first of all get to see how one can get an account. First of all, you need to fill up the login details. That is your first name, last name, email address, etc. And one thing, like I said earlier on, you do not need to have a proxy to have this account. Actually, without a proxy, this account will work perfectly, and they support all the countries. So after we register, of course, the process of registration, you will go browse jobs, and some of the jobs, yes, they may require you to do some tests, but you don't need to pass. That's a good thing about OneForma. You don't need to pass with flying colors in order for you to get this job. No, actually, some of the jobs, they will give you certifications, and the certifications are available there. So after you apply, of course, you will get paid via PayPal and Payoneer. So those are the payments plans or payment methods that they have. So I'm going to go very quickly about on this frequent asked question. So what types of jobs are you going to expect in OneForma? Of course, you can go check them out. I've said we have transcription, translation, and also data labeling. And there are other requirements to join. Anyone can join. They're even saying here anyone can join. So don't just go there, sit, and not to apply. Again, you need to take qualification exam. They are saying specific project may require you to take some test, but you do not need to pass. You do not need to do it. You do not need to pass. Moving on, how do I apply for the job? Now, to join the platform, of course, you need to join their platform, apply, like I've shown you. And please, some jobs may require you to have specific language, okay? Like some, especially for transcription, some of the jobs may require you to have a certain taste of language. I'm not talking about like you need to just be a speaker of that language, and it may not be even English, okay? So some, and also they offer certification, like I said earlier on. And how they pay, you get paid on the 10th or 20th and 25th of each month. So they pay 2 times per month. That is on the 10th and 25th of each month. Now, those are the only things that I saw I should share with you guys. So if you have any more, actually you can reach out to the customer care, and you should be able to see how well they get to pay you, or in case you have any questions that I have not addressed. So OneForma, of course, I've shown you how to register. Now, some of you may even start asking me, why did I not register and show you how to register? Because it's actually something easy. Anybody can register For me, I just had to do a review so that I can show you my subscriber how to go around and get your account. So don't try them out, don't just sit there. This is a good platform, and I believe if you have not yet gotten anything to work on, this one will be for you, and of course you will start earning some cash. So thank you so much. Also, before I forget, I need to say also you need to check out the easy task, because some people like tending to apply for the other ones. Go first apply for the easier ones so that you gain experience as you move on. Okay, gain experience as you move on. And remember, you don't even need to have this idea of everybody wants to get a US account. Should also try to earn, so that you can also try to perfect your country, so that also they can see your country is doing good in terms of online jobs. Go apply using your own country. If you don't have a proxy, because if you will move to the line of proxy, that means you should be able to verify your identity, which is going to be hard for you. So thank you so much. Subscribe, share, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.